In the park, there's no more food for the elephants, so the elephants have to come out and look for food here. This place is kind of moving, it's a route for the elephants. So every night they would come and attack, look for food, look for flour, water. People had to sleep out, and eventually we had to close the camp, but it was destroyed. That's the problem here, we're right next to the national park.
Here, for the past nearly 50 years, since the 1970s, so 40, 50 years, you are mining inside the national park.
We are mining inside the national park.
So you are collaborating with the national park?
We are collaborating with the national park. According to their regulations or rules, we don't have to move freely. We have to at least move in a vehicle. And secondly, by 6, you have to be in your camp. Because of the animals, they start moving at around 6. And the dangerous animals here are the buffaloes. The elephants also come into the camp to look for water. We have some camps whereby about 3 camps here which have been destroyed by the elephant. In case of any problem, we also report to them. And then inside here, we have security because the KWS people, the wardens, they are armed. So even Zururas, now the people we call Zururas are these artisan mines. They are intruders, they steal our stones, but because of the KWS people, they feel that it is not secure for them to enter into the national park.
So actually, the fact that you have a legal mine inside the national park is helping the national park for anti-poaching, for logistics, something like that, because sometimes you have rangers coming to the mine, maybe to sleep or...
The people from KWS, when they get that we have any intruders, they are able to relay with the other camps, and they're able to just come in a group and help us.
So you are collaborating with them.
Yeah.
So you are supporting conservation, but at the same time they provide you protection because you don't get too much attacked by illegal miners.
That is true. And also sometimes when we have a problem with our water tanks, we get assistance from them also when they are getting water from their main camps. We also get water when we have a problem with our vehicles. They are able to help us.
Okay. So for you, it's kind of a benefit to work inside the national park?
It is a kind of a benefit. First for security, and even removing these people from outside, these intruders.
Today we are visiting the gem license from a local gem miner called David Visram. So he's working not very far from the Tsavo National Park. You can see the Kasigar Mountain just behind us. This area in Tsavo is very famous not only for tsavorite, but also you have rubies and tourmaline. These are the 3 main products in this area.